ePay Self-Pay. Make a deposit with the ePay app. One way of accessing ePay service, top right corner menu. Simply log in and tap on the top right corner menu. Tap on Accounts. Then tap on Self-Pay. Another way of accessing ePay service, bottom menu. Simply log in and tap on Accounts. Tap on ePay, then tap on Self-Pay. Insert the amount you would like to deposit. Type in the payment description you like to add. Enter the receiver's mobile number. Finally, type in the receiver's email address. Tick off the Terms and Conditions window and tap on Next. Specify your bank, debit card number, its expiration date, and PIN. Confirm. Once the confirmation page comes up, tap on OK.